arrives and departs.
That's so cool. This is how they travel a long time ago. What was that?
Oh.
You're scared of it.
I thought that was an actual person. I mean, if you thought there was someone in there and you saw that, you'd think it was a real person.
Yeah.
Like, look at it. Just sitting there.
Hi. How you doing?
I think that's what we ate the other night.
Which one?
Pompano.
Pompano.
Those are
Red Hook.
Malias.
It's funky looking.
Here with the leg. There's your food right here. It's your favorite fish. Look at them.
Where?
I'm sure it's hot.
Congo River.
Yeah, look, dwarf crocodile.
Dwarf crocodile. Oh, that's a nice picture. These right here is the cool ones. Look at this.
I don't see him.
Playing dead.
Oh, look. They have it. That's the elephant nose. That weird one, that black one swimming away. Look, there's the other one. It's
Bigger one.
huge. That is so weird. Look, here's someone's close up.
Hey.
Oh, those are so weird.
Hey, elephant nose.
That is awesome.
Pretty coys. I like this one. Yellow. Oh, that's perfect.
Koi fish?
Wow.
Oh, these are pretty. That one is.
They're so tiny.
Staring at the same thing. Yeah, look how tiny these two are.
What kind are they?
Pipefish.
Like
Oh, look at the giant puffer. He's
where?
Right here.
Oh, yes. See.
Huge for a fish.
Black tiger
Look
fish.
at its teeth.
It's gorgeous.
Oh, hello. What are you?
What is that?
I don't know. Look at this thing.
What's that?
It's an ornate.
What they call mossy frog?
I don't know if that's one or not.
There's two. Let's go into the Tennessee River. Tennessee River Gorge. That's pretty. Hello. What's that? Snake Neck Stronghold? Goodness.
That's scary.
Oh god. It does really look like snake head. Big
Yeah, that's what I dive with at Loch Lomond.
paddlefish.
Yeah, except they're the size of Pierre.
Goodness. What's this?
It's another sturgeon.
Oh yeah. But look at this crabby. I wish we could get some when we go fishing. About that big right there.
Yeah, it'd be nice.
It'd be good for three of us. Ocean journey. Is it all about the ocean?
Oh, that's.
You scared?
I bet it feels weird.
Squishy?
Look, horseshoe crab.
This one's huge. I ain't touching it.
It's a horseshoe
Yeah, stick your finger in there.
Nope.
Finger in there. Yeah.
that one.
Heck no.
You need to, man. Look.
Oh,
He
look.
wants you to touch him. He wants you to pet him.
Oh no.
Yes, he does.
That's shark.
It's not.
What's the horse crab?
Yeah,
What's that?
horseshoe crab.
Horseshoe crab.
They feel so weird.
You gotta do that. Period.
Nope.
Yes. You have to. Just use your 2 fingers.
There's shark in here. Look, a coral cat shark.
What are those yellow tiny?
Look, there he is, right there. A coral cat shark.
Yep, he's in the rock.
Those
See
are
him?
pretty, babe. The yellow ones.
Touch him. Touch him, babe.
Oh, they're so
I thought they were like hard.
No,
No, they're squishy.
there's a little shark in there.
Yeah, look. A coral cat shark.
That's funny. It's huge. Oh no, this one's I think the biggest. Now we gotta wash our hands. What's that?
That one.
That
Oh,
one.
right there. Shovel-nosed guitar fish.
That looks like a little manta ray.
Oh, he's squishier. He's much squishier.
Touch this one, babe.
Look, he's coming straight up to us. Oh gosh, please don't jump.
Oh, that is so cool.
What if it'll get you with its tail?
They removed this thing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they removed the barbs.
Ooh, look at that. See that? That's the one babe trying to escape.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a different looking one.
Sit that one in.
That's the one I want to touch. I want to touch him.
He feels more like a shark. Feel him.
Oh, he feels leathery. He does. He feels leathery.
Look at these plants. My mama has this all in her yard. Say hi. Look at them. Hi. Bye. Hello. Hi. Hi. Oh, there's Wade.
Oh, he's so pretty. Hello. He's showing out for you.
Yeah. What you doing now? Here comes the shark. Ah, it went back.
No, there's two. There's two. Hello.
Oh, there it is.
More sharks. That is cool.
Now you see a shark.
Now I can say I've been right next to a shark.
Dad,
look, you can get inside. Dad, look, an octopus. One of them has eggs.
Finding Nemo.
Look, he's behind you, behind you.
Oh, there's a shark. There's a shark.
Behind you.
Where? Oh, it's right there.
He's right behind you. Look, there goes the other one. I feel like Ariel.
Okay. It's nice water to dive right there. So we are done, guys.
That's
We're done with the oceanarium and the aquarium. They're the same. Did you like it?
That's cool. I did. It's the first time I've been in this aquarium.
So we are heading home. I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. We stopped by Sewanee, guys. On our way home. And we are on top of the mountain. Scary. Yep. Mm-hmm.
Down.
Huh?
Said look down.
Is it scary? Is it a big drop?
Pretty big drop. You mean you could break anything if that drop?
Oh yeah. So guys, we are in Cowan, Tennessee. This is an old train station, but it's a museum now.
What is this thing?
Part of a train. Here's the old train, guys. Bring us back to the old times. Imagine this, long time ago.
I want to take a look at this. It says the number of the train when it arrives and departs.
Mm-hmm. That's so cool.
Mm-hmm.
This is how they travel a long time ago. You're scared of it.
I thought that was an actual person. I mean, if you thought there was someone in there and you saw that, you'd think it was a real person.
Yeah.
Like, look at it. Just sitting there.
Hi. How you doing? That is so cool.
And look, here's the other cargo door.
Is it a church?
I have no clue. I think it's a train coming.
Oh, that is so cool. There's train coming, guys.
Hurry, Mama, you should get up here and look.
Oh, right here.
Up here, hurry.
No, right here, but okay. It's so slow.
What?
It is so slow.
But it's still super.
Oh, goodness. We heard you. That is so cool. Yay. We saw a train. That's a legit train.
Oh, Mama, come up here and look.
Hmm?
Stacks right here. Come look in.
What's in it?
Come on, go down. Look in.
Yep.
It even has a kitchen.
It's probably the
On, I want to go up to the driver's car. You want to come with me?
no.